Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will create one server in Node.js. Firstly import HTTP module. HTTP. After that write HTTP dot create server. Create server is the method of HTTP to create server. Dot listen. I am right here port 4200 4500. In that I am write two variable request and response. After that arrow function dot write hello world. And save this and open terminal and run this application. Name of file is index.js. Press enter. It takes some time for execute. Okay. In this way we can create a server in Node.js. Like video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.